Consistency.
Oh Jesus!
What?
You hit the nail on the head. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brianna Ayana, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you're not new here. Thank you for coming back, girls. So in today's video, we're doing like a chit chat mukbang. We have some crab legs here.
Yup. And I got some some hush.
Wait, I didn't even introduce you.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. Hi guys, this is my friend Brittany. Yeah, talk now. Guys, we're kind of under the influence, okay?
Okay, so this here is Hush Puppies. We went to Smashing Crab. Went to Smashing Crab, and I got Hush Puppies. I think this is tartar sauce. I don't know what this is.
It probably is. Let me smell it. Yeah,
It's tartar sauce.
Good. You don't like that smell? What's in Hush Puppies? Oh shit, where's my phone?
Oh, I thought that you was recording from your phone.
Sorry about that, guys.
Look, smell this.
That smells good. What's that?
Yeah,
Like chipotle mayo or something?
It smells like kind of like, yeah, like cheese sauce. Oh.
What's this?
I forgot. Oh, these were the jambalaya
Balls.
I don't think it was called balls.
That's what you said.
Bites.
Oh,
Jambalaya balls. Bites.
my mind's gonna go so.
But that's kind of like jambalaya rice, and it's just fried.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I just got some crab legs, corn, potato, sausage. Simple. Mine's really spicy. Yours not spicy.
Oh yeah. I got the habanero, right? I got.
Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really hungry, so we're just gonna start the video right now. I'll write what we got in the menu.
I have to eat all day.
That's what he just said.
Thank you very much. I appreciate you, my friend.
Okay guys, so I had asked you guys topics to talk about and then some questions to ask me, so I feel like we should get through with the questions first, because some of them is like my own answer only, and then other questions are like general questions. So the first question we have here, wait guys, let's taste it first. Come, let's do it together.
You wanna cheers?
Yeah.
Wait, I don't have a sausage, so
that's fine.
You can't cheers the sausage. Let's cheers the potato.
No. I have to use a fork for that, my teeth.
Okay.
Did they even wash this? Oh, sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'll wait. I'm not waiting.
You wait.
I'm not swallowing. I'll wait till you swallow it.
I'm not even going. What should I do the potato since you ate the potato?
Yeah.
Was it good? Okay, I'll do the potato.
I don't know.
You said you don't know?
I don't know. It tastes good, but I'm not loving it. Maybe I'm just not a seafood person. Well, no, I'm doing a video, guys. I've like binge watch so much of these videos. Oh, this is spicy as fuck, but it's good.
My mom is so hot.
Guys, she got the lowest level, I got the third level.
Oh my gosh. It's flavor. I mean, yeah, it got some flavor too.
I do apologize for how I'm eating. The corn is, oh my god, it's magical.
It's squirting in your mouth.
First question is,
oh yeah, the question.
I think
Wait,
this
you
one,
took both of the napkins?
oh sorry, this doesn't have anything on it. When are you launching your hair business? I'm not doing it. Coming soon.
Did you say you're not doing it? And then
I don't know yet.
Oh.
The aim is for my birthday.
Hair robbery.
Oh yeah, guys, I did that. I'm thinking for my birthday, July.
My mouth is so hot.
Mine too.
I'm eating the same potato.
The corn is sweet, so it's not as bad. Next question is, when you gonna marry me? When you ready, girl? You don't see a ring on my finger. Please eat upstairs in the mukbang. Shania, when you tell you say I see good, make it eat. Alright, tell you. Huh?
What you say? This is hot.
I didn't tell her what we're gonna eat. Funny enough, I don't eat oxtail. I don't like oxtail.
Oxtail?
It's like really popular in Jamaica.
I hear a lot of people like it down here too.
Really? But Americans, I've never had it there American way.
Well, probably like Tony's Kitchen.
Oh, we need to try no. We need to try the crab legs next.
Okay. This is really good. You should try one.
When are we seeing wedding bells? When there's a ring on the finger. When he puts a ring on it. I don't know. You think I look like marriage material? Oh, let me hurry up and get to a question. So where would you go, Japan or Spain?
Spain.
Me too.
On Barcelona or something. I want to like, yeah.
I don't know what I would see there. I don't know any popular scenery.
You know, for the cheetah? Because we are sisters. The cheetah girls.
I'm confused about
You
it.
never went to you saw the cheetah girls? Oh. That's why I want to go to Spain. And
First time you got caught in a fight. We were talking about this earlier. Our first fight was booked with a guy. I was in first round at Jago. This boy. Okay. But mine's spicy. Yours is the first level. And you drinking soda. So smart. Come, let's try the crab legs. Was in first form with a guy. He asked for a hug. We hug him. And then he squeezed my ass. And I slap him hand, and it so happens that I broke his watch. And then he got mad. Oh, sorry. Damn.
And you just broke his watch.
Yeah, and he got mad. Girl, it gets better when you eat a crab.
My mouth is on fire, guys. I cannot concentrate.
I know one of my friends really like you. Every time I post you, he asks me about you.
What friend?
This guy. He is in
You posted that one? I don't have you one.
on Snapchat. Girl, yes you do have me on Snapchat.
I did have you on Snapchat.
Alright, it's on my private story. That's what I was telling you earlier. Bomba! You saw that? So I was telling you earlier that I need to add you. There's a big whole meat in this.
Okay. That hush puppy calmed my mouth down. You should try one of those. The meat.
I don't know. Oh, I'm so good. I got 3 corn.
I got more potato than corn.
I wish the potato was peeled.
I don't know how to eat crab legs.
Girl, I watched so much video. I think I've mastered it.
You said you watched the video?
Guys, sorry. Back to the question. Oh yeah, so we got into a fight. And then we took up one of the steel chair them to throw at me.
Oh dang.
And then I stop. When I go in the car and I stop punching me in the head. Oh, I'm gonna cut that part out.
A steel chair? What the hell?
Then I start punching me in the head. And then them time I'm there with fourth farm man in the first farm. And somebody go call my boyfriend. And the boy run come there, squeeze the boy throat and lift him up off of the floor. Guys, it's so crazy.
What was this, in middle school? High school?
No, high school. What's the first grade at high school here?
9th grade. But at one point my school was allowing 8th graders inside of our high school.
It's difficult to eat.
No, I'm not having no doubt. I'm still on this one leg.
No, it's just right.
I just don't know how to eat them.
Yeah, what's your, you want to tell your own?
Oh, mine was in middle school on the bus. I don't remember exactly what grade. It probably was 7th. I forgot like what the conversation was about, what we was arguing about, probably something dumb. But I remember this dude taking the pencils out of my hand, throwing them out the window, and telling me to go fetch. He told me to go fetch.
Is that a white boy?
Man, I slapped his head so hard. Like
Jesus.
his head like hit the
Excuse
window.
me.
I cannot, man. Okay, I'm not eating that. Y'all, I don't know how to eat this. But that's
You're
it.
so good at talking to the camera rather than to me. You should be a YouTuber. What are these? The cornbread thing?
Yeah, yes, taste it. Those are my favorite. You don't like them? Nobody really likes them like that. But those are my favorite. You don't like it?
I want it to be sweet.
You wanna make some? I don't like it.
So I know for me,
Oh
sis.
man.
This poor crab. Come eat with next.
Did you like these?
Yes, these are nice. Oh.
Oh, did you try the sauce? I haven't tried it yet.
First time he got an orgasm.
What was the question?
First time he got an orgasm. Shit. Definitely I was never with my first boyfriend. Nor my second. That's like already 6 years out of my life. Then who's my third boyfriend? From being honest, no. Honestly, my current boyfriend. I'm lying. This other person. No. No. With my boyfriend now.
So you said with your current boyfriend?
Yeah. Because when other times when I thought that it was it, this time just feel extremely better. It's like every time we get better. I don't know, probably because we have sex on the high. That's probably why.
I'm going like cloud.
What the fuck? What's your time? So she want me to answer the question and she don't want to answer.
I'm at the answer. Mine was with my first boyfriend.
Ew, why am I chewing like that? You hear how loud I was chewing?
I'm trying to focus on like everything not burning right now. Like my lips burn, my mouth burn. Like this stuff right here is spicy, okay?
Alright, how has the pandemic affected you so far, both good and bad?
You want me to go first since you said?
Yeah.
Okay, so in a good way, the pandemic affected me because in a good way because I was able to move here. I moved from Austin here to San Antonio, and I was able to start up something that, how can I put this? I was able to start up something that I've been wanting to do, but I lacked when I was in Austin. And I just felt like when I was there was like more distractions for me. And like I just felt like I wasn't going on the right path. And then COVID really helped me slow down, and to think about my next move.
I agree. I got that.
And then a bad way.
Nightlife.
What you mean?
Like being able to just go out and
being able to go out. That's for you? No, I'll be chilling. Cause I work at nighttime. So, but if I do want to go out, I'll probably just go out and do something. Or like I'll go to dance class. Not so much bad.
I really don't think I want to risk this.
You fool? What's your cluster?
We only have one cluster and 2 legs.
So you got 1 cluster and 2 legs?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't think I had that many in the bag, remember? I was like, you got 2 of them.
Sausage is pretty good. I wonder what kind of sausage this is. If Joe Biden would eat this.
Huh?
Joe Biden would eat this.
Who?
Joe Biden. I want Joe Biden. Need Joe Biden.
You got me, want me, no better. Go find some other road, niggas be quiet. That's it.
I don't know the words to that song.
And we can pop.
For me, I would say, honestly, I'm trying to think. And I don't have any good ones. No, I don't have any bad ones. It's just, you know, every now and then I get perturbed. But that's about it. It doesn't really bother me.
What do you mean by you get perturbed?
Annoyed. So, I don't know.
What do you get annoyed about? Do you feel like you're being a nuisance to people, or?
Sometimes. I'm gonna leave that in.
Oh my gosh, excuse me. You got. Oh my gosh. Your mouth hot? Hey. Okay, you wanna next question? Oh wait. No, you told me.
Yeah, I said nothing good or bad.
Nothing good?
No.
You said you just hit 1,000 subscribers or followers or whatever. Or views.
Excuse me.
I feel like that's something good.
I feel like that would happen either way.
I mean, but
it's not during the pandemic that caused it that I would be grateful for it.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, because but it happened in this time. It would have happened anyway, of course, but I don't know. I just feel like that's something.
Yeah, really.
Your mouth out.
Ew. Oh, what the fuck is that? What's that white thing?
What white thing? The white stuff that's on top of it?
Yeah.
Parmesan, I believe.
Ew.
Yeah, I didn't too much like it either. Did you dip it in a sausage or something? I don't know about that
Oopsie.
Dang!
Sorry.
And you used my napkin.
Girl, I've been using the both of them.
I'll get some more. Thank you. So, what's the next question?
Alright. Do you believe in God? Yes. Do you? Okay. If yes, why? I plead the fifth.
You knew while I was coming, you could have just skipped over it.
No, I honestly forgot. Honestly. Alright, let's do it. Right? How was it? How was the transition from Jamaica to America? It was okay. It was okay. I don't know if you
what
want
was different?
Food.
What are you still adjusting to?
Racism. That's what I would say.
How was the currency different from each other?
Having a lot of money there don't mean you have a lot of money. $100 Jamaican dollar, not $100 US dollar, not even close.
How much is it? Like $1?
Less than $1. It was the only thing I really had to adjust to is like what I say. Oh,
What was the question?
how I talk. Transition from Jamaica to America. And my first job was here. You know, so I never grew up like I wouldn't say my friends are struggling, but they're doing the same type of work for less than nothing. Whereas, you know, I feel like I'm privileged. That's the only thing. Please yourself. Have sex with yourself. And I don't know, do it different every time.
It don't have to be like every time. Like that, find our favorite, but do different.
Yeah, or like there's like fucking and there's making love. You know, pick one every time. Change it up. Whatever. You didn't answer.
Yeah, I said find your favorite and do different.
Oh. What are major turn-ons in a man?
And a man?
Yeah. Appearance. Facial appearance. I love me a beard.
I guess that's the type. Like everybody loves them.
But that's not a type because every man grow facial hair.
Yeah, true. But a beard. Yeah.
I'm so mad. I should have gotten like came fucking corn.
I need to stop. I'm being so rude.
I'll beep it out. I'll beep them out. I know say a lot of shit in this shit.
What the? Come on.
brace. You want me break my braces?
Oh, shit.
No man. This is a tough motherfucker even death. What are major turn-ons? Smell, facial appearance, their goals, what they've achieved in life so far. No children. Educated. What else? Sensitive and knowledgeable.
I think that's
about not like specific things, but have like a variety or a range. You know, like you can have different conversations with them.
Yeah, instead of just the same old conversation.
Yep.
Yeah.
You agree with all of mine, or you have any input?
I agree. Let's see. Be yourself. Like, and consistency.
Oh Jesus!
What?
You hate the nail.
I thought something came through the window.
What the?
I thought something came through the window. You looked all over. Oh shit. You scared me like that. You know right here. Got a fucking squirrel or something be sitting right there.
No. You funny as fuck. Girl, you almost let me choke. Oh. Okay. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be? Jamaica. But I'd have to be rich. Like a different type of rich.
I don't know. Like, I don't really know. But I know for sure.
Or Miami. Either one.
I want to live like different places. And I feel like that's the thing about me. Like, I want to live somewhere. That's not even rich. I need to live somewhere at least like once. Or like at least for like a year or like a couple of months. Like, I just want to see how it is.
Interesting.
And I want to go to London. I might end up going to London. And I really like the snow. So I may end up like when a snowstorm is here.
You out of your mind.
I enjoy it, honestly. Like, I love the snow. It looks so beautiful outside. Like, just imagine like places that's just used to that. That just, and some like
once you experience like an actual winter, then you change your mind. That's what I used to.
what I want to do is at least just one time, and like I'll be okay with it.
Okay. All right. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Somewhere marriage. It doesn't have to be I have to be married, but something leading to marriage. Definitely having my degree. I'm probably buying or building my own home. Yeah. And like obviously having a successful business and a successful YouTube channel.
Okay.
And possibly 5 years I'll be 27 and possibly a baby.
And a baby.
That's it.
Okay. And 5 years I'll be 30. And I see myself having at least starting to build a home. I really want land, so just finding that perfect spot where I can have a home and a land, like something I can come back to. And then I would want, well, I see myself having my real estate license and trying to get more into real estate. At least looking at houses, touring houses and stuff by then. And then I would like to have right now I'm doing pretty good. So I have Beyond, I do the babysitting, but I want to have it like consistent, like the consistent clients. And I really want to try to get like employees. So kind of like how care.com is, or like something like that, or like babysitter city or something like that. I know I'm saying it wrong, but how they have like one company and then different employees.
Yeah.
I don't want to try to do that. Excuse me. Jeez. But just looking into that, and hopefully looking at exploring houses and stuff on 30. I really want to sell houses.
Yeah, that would be cool. My thing. Oh, I already answered. The next question is, what got you into it? Starting ways I didn't like spending my own money getting my hair done. I feel like it was ridiculous, and I wanted to learn how to do it myself and possibly earn an income from it. Where not necessarily doing someone's hair, but making the wig.
She's really good, guys.
I wouldn't say that.
You said what?
I wouldn't say that.
You wouldn't say that? Man, what? You be posting me on your story with my wigs? Mm-hmm. She do all my wigs.
Okay.
Every time I like put on story too, people be like, "Oh, who did your hair? Who did your hair?" And I'll be like, and I send them your Instagram.
Really? It's hot. I had asked you guys to give me topics to talk about, and the first thing is fake friends. I have a lot of these people in my life that I'm gonna cut ties with, because if it's not, they just think they're children and choose to act like children, is petty little bullshit for no reason. But yeah, I'm not kissing nobody's ass, so that's that. Moving on. What do you have to say about fake friends?
I don't know. I don't really have fake friends.
Look at this one. They're disgusting, man.
It just
sorry.
It's just
I'll brush it off.
Yeah, the Parmesan kind of blew it off too. I really didn't like those. I like ketchup better.
These are popping.
That's popping. I feel like I come to realize that we all like me and all my friends are grown. And, like, we know what each other like and what we dislike by now. Like, we know how to push each other buttons. I don't necessarily say we fake friends. I have fake friends, but we all petty.
Okay. I feel you. Favorite design by Mix and Match.
Favorite who?
It's my friend's tie-dye t-shirt company. So I like the different freestyles of tie-dye, and it's in like a sweatshirt. Ooh.
So they do it themselves?
Yeah.
Do they sell like little kits so they can do it at home? Like so people can tie down their shit at home?
No.
They should have it. I would totally buy that.
The camera died.
So you just ask them for a color and they'll tie it? Or what?
No,
or
I said when they
already
freestyle. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna change the battery. We're back, guys. My favorite Mix and Match is the broccoli one. That's my real favorite one.
Wait, let me see the website. I want to pick a favorite. Do they got them like back to back? Ooh, okay. Let me pick a favorite too. Go up. I saw one that I really like. I like this one.
Her favorite is Lollipop. What motivates you to go on? Just the possibility of my dream coming true. Nice. Damn, I'm a lyricist.
Me, it's just like I'm getting older.
Oh,
That's it. I'm getting older and I want what I want.
Oh damn, you 3 years older than me.
I'll be 25 this year.
Being with a mean man. I already told you what mean man means.
Mean man means when a guy don't spend money on you.
Yeah. Don't buy you nothing. Wanting to go out to eat and have to split the bill.
Really? He just want me to buy everything?
No, it's split in half, or him don't buy nothing for you. Nothing at all.
I mean, I feel like with guys like that, you just kind of show them that you don't need them.
I don't want none.
You don't want it?
That's fine. I'm content in my relationship. Relationships. Don't do that.
What is that?
10 out of 10 would not recommend.
Very.
The ghetto. The garrison. Clingy men.
I'm not used to clingy men.
I think I've had one. I loved it. Every bit of it.
Really?
Yes, it's a Leo in me. You're a what, Scorpio?
No, I'm a Virgo. See, you're kind of clingy too. It's all
Kinda.
It's all
I put the cling in
I don't know why I attract. This is so crazy, but nothing but Leos have been like coming to me. That's it. Like Leos.
Am I clingy? I give you clingy vibes?
I live in a house with Leos.
Probably because you probably think I'm because I send so much message at once. Does that annoy you?
No, you don't. I don't like that.
No, but you don't be replying.
I'll be asleep, like, or I'll be at work.
I think that was all of the questions. Oh, somebody did want to talk about. Should we? No. Yeah. So this is gonna be the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.
Oh,
it was all over. You want?
I like y'all.
So I don't. You have anything else to say? Nah, she died. But
I saw a corn.
Where my dumbass thought you saw the whole thing?
It was spicy at first, but then I swallowed it.
So guys, this is the end of the video. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you comment down below and tell me, gonna bad me up because it's like unafraid for talk. But yeah, and yeah, she don't never mind. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And remember to follow me on Instagram, please. Thank you. Bye.